Hi, I am Q Rowland, your business growth coach and your money mentor to generational wealth. If you've been following me, you know the importance of having a DUNS number to be properly structured as a business. So we're going to talk about how to get your DUNS number. So this is not that hard, guys. I don't want you to overthink this. All you got to do is apply. So first of all, what is a DUNS number? I know some of you don't know, so we're going to talk about that really briefly. I won't hold you here too long. But a DUNS number is a 9-digit number assigned to businesses to determine your stability financially and your credit worthiness. It's really important. So let's look at how you apply. You're going to go to dnb.com. You're going to click DUNS, and then you're going to scroll down. Before we get to actually beginning the application, it gives you all the things that are required for you to be applying for a DUNS number. So there's things like you have to be a U.S. citizen or a U.S.-based business, or Canada-based business, yada, yada. It tells you all the things that you have to have in place in order to apply in step 2. Step 3 tells you that you can expedite your process of the application. I would not recommend doing this because, in my opinion, it's a money grab. It doesn't take that long to get your DUNS number anyway, but if you'll pay it, they'll take your money and tell you that you'll get it within 8 days, when typically that's about the time frame you'll get it anyway. And step 4 says someone will reach out to you. Usually they're just calling to sell you something. So you're going to scroll down the page and hit I have a U.S. business if you do, or whatever the option is that applies. You're going to put in your business zip and your business name. Once you do this, you're just going to click next, and you're going to go through the process of the application. It's really, really simple, guys, but this number is super duper important because I'll tell you why now. There are things that I need you to know and to remember. You have to have a physical address. That means there are no P.O. boxes. There are no UPS stores. You must have a physical business address. If you do not yourself have one, get a co-working space or something like that that has a physical address, because they do verify these addresses. It can take up to 30 days to receive your DUNS number. However, I do personally think that's highly unlikely. I've never seen it happen, but I guess they have to tell you that as a possibility. You must have this number to be considered properly structured. Without this number, there is nothing to link you to financial stability or credibility. And last and not least is, most lenders will definitely ask you for this number when you are applying for credit. So make sure that when you set up your business that you apply for this number. And if you've already set up your business, make sure you apply for this number. Remember, each location has to have its own separate DUNS number. This is why they look it up by zip code and the business name. And last and not least, you can apply for your DUNS number at the dnb.com, and you can always check out my website at qrowland.com for all kinds of courses, coaching, and freebies. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate you tapping in today. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all soon.